Can you imagine my life after that?
Bless you.
Salt, pepper. My hotel room. I am eating 2 of the sugar-free.
Sneeze.
Oh, I have bad allergies here. I don't know why.
You have allergies everywhere.
Oh my god. So got the egg whites and 2 pancakes here.